Hi there, you must be a new visitor. Well, I'll tell you the history of this channel in a minute. First of all, my name is Mohamed-Amine Maelhachmi. I started this channel in 2017 making Katia tutorials for some Moroccan friends. But that went wrong. So I started making broadcasts talking about subjects that interest Moroccan youth. Then after a few months, I figured out that not only Moroccans who needs these informations, but also the world needs them, so I changed my language to be speaking English so the world will understand and benefit of my videos. If you are interested on my subjects, consider subscribing and activate the bell icon so you can receive all the updates concerning my new uploads. Thank you for being here and see you next time.